According to a study done, there was around 1.64 lakhs of suicides committed, and
Okay.
majorly were men.
The reason why the figures are also increasing because now the societal pressure is so much and men don't really feel heard or understood that way. शायद एक लड़के के पास एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है राइट बट उससे ज़्यादा पैकेज इज द फ्रेशर्स पैकेज
Just because she's a girl.
या गर्ल प्रेजेंटेबल गुड लुकिंग हाफ ऑफ योर जॉब इज डन एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस के लिए जो मूवीज बनती है उसमें भी सर्टेन चीजें लोग पकड़ के फिर उनको लगता है स्पेशली आफ्टर दिस एनिमल मूवी
Oh yes.
उसके बाद तो अल्फा अल्फा ज्यादा ही हो गया है ये टर्म यूज करना भी ना बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है स्टॉप इवैल्यूएटिंग अ मैन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बैंक बैलेंस राइट ट्राइस आई थिंक फर्स्ट दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि तुम एक आदमी की पहले अपब्रिंगिंग समझो
Welcome back to Men Unplugged. Today we have a dynamic guest with us, Mr. Manan Bhatt, an entrepreneur revolutionizing plant-based nutrition in India. But today's conversation isn't about business. It's about understanding men's mental health and their unique perspectives on life, love, and leadership. Welcome to the podcast, Manan. It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me over.
So, Manan, we'll get straight to the point today because just yesterday I was reading something and I came across a staggering figure, a shocking one rather. It seems, according to the stats in India in 2021, according to a study done, there was around 1.64 lakhs of suicides committed, and
Okay.
majorly were men. And of course, the reasons cited were financial struggles,
Yeah.
family pressure, and relationships to a certain extent. What's your take on that?
I mean, that has been growing. And with times changing now, the reason why the figures are also increasing because now the societal pressure is so much and men don't really feel heard or understood that way. Because नहीं बोल सकते हो आप एंड बोलोगे तो देन यू माइट कम आउट एज vulnerable or weak whereas vulnerability is actually supposed to be a strength
Right, right.
but people don't understand that and फिर जब वो बात नहीं कर पाते वो बोल नहीं पाते then it's all happening in their own head in their own mind
Absolutely.
that is when their stress levels increase that is when then it starts affecting on their health तो फिर ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं and which is why these deaths are happening
True.
because they don't feel that they are being understood or heard and if they are heard then they are judged.
Very beautifully you've said that, and this is what I think a lot of my guests on the podcast also believe that expressing or communicate when a man tries to communicate, he's
Yeah.
being judged.
Yeah.
So, have you ever felt such an incident in your life?
Oh,
That
a lot of times.
is it?
Lot
Would
of
you
times.
mind sharing?
I feel I have been misunderstood like a lot of times.
Okay.
And after a point, I just give up because then it's more like, ठीक है, I can't break my head over this, you know, नहीं समझ आता है, ठीक है, I'll pick my peace or my mental sanity over all those judgments. But yeah, a lot of times, if you're going through some struggles, if you're going through some hardships, and you might have people who would want to hear you, right?
Right.
सुनने के लिए लोग सुनेंगे, but तुम उन लोगों को बोलो जो एक्चुअली वो सुन इट्स लाइक यू वांट टू बी हर्ड और यू वांट समबडी टू जस्ट लिसन टू यू देयर इज अ
Difference.
डिफरेंस
It's,
राइट
There's a difference.
सुनने के लिए तो कोई सुन सकता है पर एक्चुअली कोई सुन के समझ रहा है तुम क्या बोल रहे हो कि सिर्फ सुनने के लिए सुन रहे कोई
Right.
जिस दिन तुमको ये समझ आएगा ना कि ऑडियंस क्या है जो सिर्फ यहाँ से सुन के यहाँ से निकालने वाली है या वो समझेगी तुम क्या बोल रहे हो दैट इज़ व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट फिल्टरिंग आउट पीपल बाय इटसेल्फ
True. Very true.
एंड तो मैं ऐसे जब बोलता था तो सुनने के लिए तभी सुन लेंगे बैक ऑफ द माइंड दे विल हैव देयर जजमेंट्स वो रहेगा यू नो
True. Right.
एंड वो बोलेंगे नहीं दे वोंट टेल यू ऑन योर फेस बट वो एक गॉसिप बन जाता है यू नो और इट बिकम्स अ टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन बिकॉज इवेंचुअली आप बाहर ऐसे जाते हो पीपल जस्ट वांट गॉसिप
True. Very
गिव मी
true.
सम टी
Very true, very true. And this is also one of the reasons, when I say that there are a lot of men who really do not want to communicate because
Yeah.
of the fear of being judged.
Yeah.
Or there was one thing that one of the guests told me that I do not want to open up or be vulnerable in front of somebody because somewhere I know ये मेरे खिलाफ इस चीज़ को use करेगा आगे, करेगा करेगी,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so एक वो भी fear factor सुनाई दिया है, I
Yeah.
mean that is,
Yeah.
and of course people are not interested. So ये जो societal thought process है या ये जो society ने बोला है, they'll pay a lot of attention when a woman is talking. Have you
100%.
felt that?
Yes, 100%.
So with all all the attention, all the focus, and not only hearing, they will also try to provide some solutions.
Oh yes.
Yeah?
100%.
बट वाई आर मेन इस चीज़ से इतने वंचित क्यों रह जाते हैं, हम इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस क्यों नहीं दे पाते हैं?
सी इसीलिए तो बोलते हैं ना कि आई अंडरस्टैंड इन सर्टन एस्पेक्ट्स ऑपोजिट सेक्स डज वर्क्स इन योर फेवर बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट द नेचर राइट एंड दिस इज हाउ वी आर ट्यून्ड बायोलॉजिकली के बट वो एक नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्क प्लेसेज और वट एवर अर्लियर सब सारे मेल डोमिनेटेड होते थे राइट तो उसमें इफ देयर इज अ फीमेल कमिंग इन तो ऑब्वियसली शी विल गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा दिस थिंग एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट ये वो
Right.
बट द सेम विल नॉट बी एक्सटेंडेड टू अ मैन
True.
फिर वो ऐसा हो जाता है अरे तो फिर तुमको आता ही क्या है
Ah,
बिकॉज वो एक बाई डिफॉल्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन हो जाती है कि अरे ये तो पता होना ही चाहिए
Correct.
ये तो आना ही चाहिए एंड अगर तुमने उस चीज़ पे डाउट रेज किया या क्वेश्चन रेज किया सो देन यू माइट कम अक्रॉस अ स्टूपिड
true.
but then I think this should be normalized because that is how one learns, right?
Absolutely,
तुम
absolutely.
जब तक पूछोगे नहीं या क्यूरियस नहीं हो या इनक्विजिटिव नहीं हो how are you going to understand things?
This gets me to a question, Manan. You've been an entrepreneur yourself, and you've seen a legacy. I mean, your father, Mr. Sudhir, he's into a wonderful business. And
Yeah.
have you faced some sort of discrimination at workplace in your entrepreneurship journey, or otherwise, if not you, have you seen it happening to your friends or somebody?
Not really, I would say, because so in my workplace, yes, I would. I obviously have had my own experience over the years of I used to work earlier, and before I took the entrepreneurial journey, but वो time पे see preferences women को ज़्यादा जाता था in terms of let's say अगर आपको package भी है in terms of your salary package or whatever.
Is it?
Yeah, वो time पे वो होता था ऐसे.
Oh,
It used
okay.
to happen.
I always thought it was the other way around because the
When times started changing, this was happening.
Okay.
जब थोड़ा normalize हो गया ना that women are also working now and everything, and now they are also getting into corporates and all of that.
Right.
तब ये थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा होने लग गया because I have seen that discrimination के शायद एक लड़के के पास experience ज़्यादा है, right? But उससे ज़्यादा package is the freshers package.
just because she's a girl.
Yeah, girl, presentable, good looking, half of your job is done.
Right. That is a very sad truth
Yeah.
of our society.
Yeah.
And the preference goes, as they say, it's beauty over the brains that goes
Yeah.
ahead. But help me understand one more thing. You've been into a business
Yeah.
and you are doing a wonderful job, and
Yeah.
I know about your business. You're getting
Yeah.
into the nutrition aspect
Yeah.
and getting something really new to India. Have you ever considered, and of course, everybody over here will agree with me, you are a perfect eligible bachelor.
Yeah.
How are you still a bachelor?
I feel I haven't met the right person.
Okay.
I obviously have connected with a lot of people, but see, I feel if you have to spend your life with somebody, it's not just love, romance, or looks or whatever. There are a lot of things that go beyond these aspects as well.
Right.
And I would say it should be a collaboration, right? Yin and yang. Where first of all, though, y'all are a team. If you all have to successfully go through that marriage, it has to be a team, and that team has two people. That understanding has to be very strong. You want the relationship to be to work. Learning is a very important aspect in the
True.
relationship, because आप जितना rigid रहोगे ना, उतना you won't be able to be happy in that space. And पहले क्यों शादी जल्दी करते थे, ताकि मोल्ड हो जाए,
They
एक
grow
दूसरे के साथ,
together.
they grow together. Now people have had their own experiences, their own failed relationships or bad experiences, whatever. So they get more rigid, and which is when they hesitate to even take efforts.
Right.
But वो rigidity और वो सब के साथ you have to be open to learning.
True.
एंड दैट्स अ टू वे स्ट्रीट. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ लड़के को करना है या सिर्फ लड़की को करना है. इट हैज़ टू बी अ टू वे स्ट्रीट. बोथ हैव टू बी एट अ सिमिलर माइंडसेट
True.
कि दिस इज हाउ इट इज, ओनली देन इट कैन वर्क.
Absolutely.
Transparency, communication, because if you can't communicate with your partner, if you like something, you don't like something, this is where what I have experienced in my life, right? So if I'm trying to कुछ बोलने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ विच इन जस्ट जेनेरिक टर्म्स गलत है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अपना कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस इम्पोज कर रहा हूँ ऑन द अदर पर्सन, राइट? बट देन इफ द पर्सन इज गोइंग टू back answer or not understand, after a point you're not going to break your head over it. You'd be like, okay, this is probably not cut out for me.
Right.
Which is when I came across these kind of situations, I pulled myself out of it.
Okay.
Yeah, because let's say even in my failed relationships or whatever, I used to be like, see, we have one life. If I'm not going to be happy, I won't be able to keep you happy.
True. Very true.
Men by nature are supposed to be providers,
Right.
right?
Right.
But being a provider also, if I am not content in the relationship or not being understood properly, I won't be able to make you happy. If I can't make you happy, would you want a life like that? Simple.
That is very the most simplest
Yeah.
definition
But नहीं समझ आता है
of a
लोगों को.
breakup.
Yeah.
So why would a person get it very simple, in a very simple manner?
No,
You
and
said.
trust me, this is the exact thing I'd mentioned.
Okay.
ये सेम लाइन मैंने बताई थी कि ऐसा है, बिकॉज द पर्सन हैड हर ओन रिजेंटमेंट कि नहीं, लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट, इट विल वर्क आउट, ये सारी चीज़ें चेंज कर देंगे, वील वर्क ऑन दीज थिंग्स. अच्छा, ये इश्यूज़ है, वो इश्यूज़ है. मैंने बोला, आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑल ऑफ इट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तुम एक इंसान का बेसिक नेचर नहीं चेंज कर
नहीं कर
सकते
पाते.
हो. यू कैन डू दैट.
Correct.
Fine, everybody has scope for improvement. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I also have my own flaws. Everybody has scope for improvement, but अगर वो फिर नहीं हो रहा है तो then there's no point being in that toxicity ना then.
True.
Because you have so many other things also to think about.
Absolutely.
अभी तो there's work pressure, there's societal pressure, you have to be a certain way, you have to talk a certain way. अब वो सब में अगर ये भी तुम्हारा messed up है तो then you're just mentally messed up in every angle.
Right. Here, just now you mentioned a lot about societal pressure and work pressure. तो ये सारी जिम्मेदारियाँ सिर्फ men पर आती हैं या have you ever thought about girls? Do girls think about all these kind? Or are they in any way pressurized by the society?
Are women pressurized by the society?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you.
Not as much as men, I feel. See, women का as per my understanding, उनका प्रेशर कैसा होता है कि you reach a certain age, शादी कर लो, start
Have
a family,
kids,
have
correct.
kids, because with age you will face certain health issues
Correct,
or complications.
correct.
That is one kind of pressure that women are used to, hearing since
Correct.
they are kids. With men, it's a completely different thing. Men के साथ ये नहीं होता है. With them, they have, because come on, कितना भी progressive हम हो जाए, we still live in a patriarchy society, right? वो है अभी भी, ये patriarchy है अभी भी. And I'm not saying वो 100% गलत भी है, because men are providers, but there are a lot of other things also that, a man brings to the table.
Correct.
Apart from just being a provider.
Right.
ये प्रेशर में सारे men पे आते ही है.
बट जब आपने ये एक्सेप्ट ही कर लिया है, दिस इज व्हाट माय कंसर्न इज, men themselves have accepted that we are providers, तो ये तो करना ही है हमको, ये प्रेशर तो उठाना ही है, ये तो झेलना ही है. बट नाउ not now, I mean we've seen women working from decades back, still ये प्रेशर शिफ्ट नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ.
ओके. और जहाँ पे ज़्यादा काम की ज़रूरत है वो है आदमियों में या द मेन themselves have to be I'm not saying do not accept your role as a provider, but that is not the only thing that you are worth of or that
Correct.
you are worthy of.
Correct.
So जहाँ पे सोसाइटी को एक चेंज की ज़रूरत है, एक थॉट प्रोसेस में चेंज की ज़रूरत है, आपको नहीं लगता है जो एक टर्मिनोलॉजी है जो हम सब यूज़ करते हैं, वी आर वायर्ड टू बी लाइक दैट, यू नो, वी आर वायर्ड लाइक दैट, ये तो हमें करना ही है, दिस इज इनेट. सो डोंट यू थिंक देयर इज अ चेंज दैट नीड्स टू कम इन द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ द मेन एज वेल?
Yes, it does. Now, I'll tell you, जैसे कि in other developed countries, right, there are men who are husbands as well,
राइट
right?
राइट.
And they are absolutely okay taking up that responsibility, just like a homemaker,
ट्रू
right? जो पहले से हमेशा औरतें करती थी. By nature, women come with a nurturing energy, you know.
ट्रू.
तो पहले ऐसे होता था, men are providers and women are the nurturing ones
Right.
behind them. Now वो roles reverse ऐसे भी हो रहे हैं, where the women are out there, they're working, and the man is completely taking care of everything at home, including the baby, including taking care of the house,
Correct.
all of it. But this is not a
In
very
India.
अगर ऐसा इंडिया में अगर ये बोला भी जाएगा ना, तो उस पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी, अरे ऐसा है, ये है, बीवी की कमाई खाता है, whatever XYZ, you know. These kind of things will come with, because I don't think people are that evolved yet to understand this. I'm not saying कि जो जिसका जैसा चल रहा है, they are comfortable with that, so there's nobody like, किसी और का हक ही नहीं बनता उनको जज करने का, right? They are comfortable in that setup. Obviously, initially जब मैंने भी ऐसा सुना, because we are not used to listening to something like this, right? So even when I heard, I was kind of like, how is this even functioning, you know? How is this even working out? But then when I thought, I was like, okay, दो जन की ट्यूनिंग है and they are happy in that setup, तो फिर दुनिया से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है.
What is your personal take on this? I mean, on the equation of being a house husband. Do you really think it's just because being scared of the society, if ahead in life, you think the equation between you and your partner is such where you would want to stay home and take up a role, the Key and Kaa movie?
Yeah.
You would want to be a part of it, and the wife, you think you'll be comfortable, or you would just not do that because people around you are going to have some problem, issues?
I would not think about what people want to think, honestly. So, me as how I am, I love to be out there and
Right.
you know follow what I believe in or work towards that. But at the same time, if the role requires that at that point in time, तो फिर eventually तो family हुई ना मेरी, right? तो फिर क्यों शर्माना है?
Right. But then
It
how
can-
are you going to handle the people around you? Because then, as we said, in India, we are not very comfortable with this concept. And when we say not comfortable, it is not the issue between the couple,
Yeah.
but it is the issue with everybody
Society.
else that
Yeah.
people are, the
हाँ,
couple
तो
is living
उनका
around.
thought process बहुत छोटा है. They need to evolve then.
सो
right?
आपकी क्या राय होगी, आपकी क्या एडवाइस होगी? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर जैसे आपके दिमाग में इस बात ने घर करी है, जैसे आपको ये थॉट आया है, देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु वांट टू, अ लॉट ऑफ मेन who would want to take up, and a lot of women who think probably if she goes out and starts making money, it'll be a better deal for the family as
Yeah.
a whole.
Yeah.
But then just because हम क्या explain करेंगे, हम mom dad को क्या बोलेंगे, वैसे लोगों के लिए आपकी कुछ एडवाइस?
See, I'll tell you, secretly men love to be pampered. They really like it, है ना?
They love to be
pampered.
pampered.
उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सारे सब सिर्फ बोलते नहीं है, but they like it. जैसे a woman feels loved if the man is pampering her, or you know,
Right.
can be with materialistic things, can be with outings, experiences,
Right.
whatever. A man also likes all of it.
Of course.
पसंद है, बट बोलना नहीं है, क्योंकि बोलेंगे तो फिर यू नो इट द फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड. बट दे ऑल लाइक इट सीक्रेटली. सबको पसंद है, ऐसा नहीं है.
I'm sure. I mean, of course, they love being pampered. And as I always say, before being a man and a woman, you're a human with the equal amount of brains and emotions,
Absolutely.
feelings,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
So, अगर जो मिठाई मुझे मीठी लगती है, वो आपको भी मीठी लगेगी. Just because we are
Yeah.
genders apart, it's not going to taste any
Yeah.
bad to you.
Yeah.
But यही जो हमने एक फ्रेमवर्क बनाया हुआ है, ओके, I hear a lot, I deal with a lot of kids, I have two small kids, and then
Yeah.
when I go to their schools and all, couple of times I've seen, the mothers addressing their boys as when they are crying, लड़की की तरह रो मत.
हाँ.
अब
Yeah.
ये वाला phrase है ना, I mean, I feel really sad for the child, the male child, when he said an emotion which is not gender based of crying. We do
Correct.
not,
Correct.
छोटे मेल चाइल्ड को भी हम रोता हुआ नहीं देख सकते हैं,
Yeah.
या फिर हम इट्स नॉट नहीं देख सकते हैं, बट वी एट्रीब्यूट दैट पर्टिकुलर इमोशन एज अ फीमेल इमोशन.
कंडीशनिंग इम्पोज कर रहे हैं.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
और वो बचपन से लेके इट गोज अप टिल दैट, बिकॉज वही ममा
Yeah.
ने बोला है दैट
Yeah.
गर्ल्स डू दैट.
Yeah.
ओके, जवानी तक वही होती है और बुढ़ापे तक भी वही होती है, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो पास ऑन भी होती है.
True.
Okay.
Very true.
So I want to understand from you vulnerability, which in the beginning of the episode
Yeah.
you mentioned that
Yeah.
vulnerable नहीं होना है. क्यों नहीं होना है?
I think होना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं? Exactly. क्यों नहीं?
Right.
I think you should be vulnerable because that in itself is a strength, because I feel that is a very woke individual, irrespective of the gender. But right now, since we're talking about men,
Correct.
I'd stick to a man, because at least that man has the capability to process those emotions, to understand those emotions, and then act on it. Right? So I think vulnerability is strength.
Absolutely.
तुमने उस चीज़ को समझा, एड्रेस किया, ओके दिस इज हाउ आई एम फीलिंग इमोशनली राइट नाउ, एंड उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. क्यों गलत है? बट सोसाइटी, लाइक हाउ यू सेड, लड़की की तरह रोता है, मैन अप. आई विल टेल यू, लाइक सो मेनी, आई लाइक इवन टिल डेट वो कंडीशनिंग ऐसी हुई है ना कि अल्फा मेल का डेफिनेशन ही पूरा मतलब हिला हुआ है.
Okay.
राइट? अल्फा मेल मतलब वो लोग बोलेंगे ओ जिम जाओ, ये करो, वो करो, दैट्स अल्फा मेल, राइट? बट आई डोंट थिंक इट जस्ट स्टिक्स टू दैट.
Absolutely.
Even for being an alpha there are many layers to that,
True.
right? It's not कि बस तुम ऐसे हस्की टोन में बात करोगे, बॉडी बना दोगे तो दैट मीन्स यूर अल्फा, या तुम हर जगह यू विल पे द बिल और व्हाटएवर दैट मीन्स यूर अल्फा. नो, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. बट it's so sad that I recently I saw a video online, and this person, I don't even remember the name, but वो बात कर रहा है एंड वो बोलता है कि आजकल के जनरेशन जो है जिम में आके से टाइम पास करता है. अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार, बी अ मैन, बी अल्फा. अरे तुमने जो गंजी पहनी है वो इधर से इधर तक फटी हुई है, ठीक है? हाँ, तुमने सब कर रखा है, यू ग्रूम्ड योर सेल्फ, ये वो, और तुम बोलते हो आई एम अ 50-year-old मैन और मेरे को देखो ऐसा है, बी एन अल्फा, बी दिस. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट नॉनसेंस इज दिस गाय टॉकिंग? एंड लिटरली द पर्सन हैज अ फॉलोइंग, and I'm like, is this how the youth is going to, like, follow these people?
True.
Like,
sad.
it's sad. And फिर यही सारा then entertainment purpose के लिए जो movies बनती है, उसमें भी certain चीज़ें लोग पकड़ के फिर उनको लगता है, especially after this animal movie,
Oh yes.
उसके बाद तो अल्फा ज़्यादा ही हो गया है. ये टर्म यूज़ करना भी ना बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. जो एक्चुअली अल्फा है ना, उसको वो बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि मैं अल्फा हूँ.
True.
वो अपने एनर्जी में इतना कॉन्फिडेंट रहेगा ना कि इट विल कम अक्रॉस. बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है.
So what is alpha man according to you? If I mean, of course, this is not what you just described
Yeah.
and what the
Yeah.
media does. I totally agree. It is not alpha. It is another level of toxicity
Yeah.
that is being promoted. Masculine toxicity and animal, or we were speaking about a post that even I saw,
Yeah.
where a person says that I don't even want my wife to know that we have bills, and there are men talking about 50-50 contribution.
क्या गलत है?
Absolutely my point.
Yeah.
So ये वाली जो feeling men are getting into themselves that oh, if I pay the bills, I am the man. Only then I am the man.
हाँ, नहीं, I don't think इसे masculinity कहीं पे भी कोई threat है.
Correct.
So you asked me कि how should like an alpha man be?
Correct.
I think an alpha man सबसे बेसिक में मैं बोलूँ one line में, will not differentiate between how he treats a woman and a man.
Right.
He would treat both of them equally. Right?
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा लड़की देखी तो अलग तरीके से बिहेव करेंगे. एंड लाइक वेरी सिंपल, इफ यू आर गोइंग एनीवे, यू open the door for a woman, right?
Right.
If you have, let's say, if it's a group of friends, ठीक है, पर you let the women go first, you'll open the door, right? But why not for a guy friend, right? So you be equal, right?
Right.
If let's say if you're even out anywhere, if you have to communicate with a girl, तुम जिस तरीके से लड़की से बात करोगे या पोलाइट होके बात करोगे, वैसे तुम एक आदमी के साथ क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते? कर सकते हैं ना? दैट इज वेयर आई फील मोस्ट बेसिक में ऐसे रहना चाहिए कि यू डोंट डिफरेंशिएट एज पर जेंडर.
Correct.
Be so confident and content in your own energy that you don't need to differentiate.
Correct. And when you say alpha, what you said is absolutely right. But also, you cannot judge a person if you are an alpha man.
Yeah,
You cannot judge a person based on his gender.
true.
Okay.
True.
What you said was correct. I mean, if need be, you can pull up the door for your
Yeah,
guy
yeah,
friend as well.
yeah.
There's nothing wrong in that. बट जब जजमेंट की बात, अरे नहीं यार तू क्यों रो रहा है, अरे ये प्रॉब्लम्स तो हमें भी होती है, क्या छोड़ना, लेट्स हैव अ बियर एंड ऑल दैट, ये वाले कॉन्सेप्ट जो होते हैं ना, अगर हम इनको like address करना शुरू करें, that is an alpha man.
Yeah,
An alpha man is
yeah,
not the one who
yeah.
goes out and
Correct.
according to me, that is what I think about. And with this we turn into another question, which is bromance.
Okay.
Okay. Girls are said to have a huge set of friends and they are
Yeah.
expressive and they talk about everything. How does bromance fit into the equation? I mean, male friendship, what is that, if you can help us understand?
So see, male friendships में कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, that men sometimes don't want to talk about the problem. तो it's like अगर वो मिलते हैं, let's say if they're catching up for a drink or a drive or whatever, however they plan on spending time, वो टाइम पे it's more of a distraction. कि let's say you faced a particular issue that can be a personal problem, family problem, work regarding problem, whatever. तो वो टाइम पे when you meet like a bro, like bromance, right? You sometimes you don't want to talk about it because this is your distraction.
Correct.
You will do all the other stupidity but not talk about it. And इसमें ऐसा नहीं है that you cannot talk. It's just that sometimes you do, because then you're again going through a rerun of those emotions, right?
Right, right.
And probably to avoid that is when sometimes men don't talk.
True.
ये होता है.
It is just
Because हाँ वो एक distraction हो जाता है, चलो ठीक है, let's catch up for a drink. So then at that point in time you're not thinking about what you
Went
just
through and you
experienced
don't
or
want to
whatever.
relive
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So even in my friendships, like if I have a friend, let's say if he's had an issue with his girlfriend or wife or whatever, पूछेंगे, I'll ask once, twice. Then if the person doesn't share, I'd be like, okay, person is not comfortable sharing, no problem. We'll talk about random things, random other things.
what is the, according like in general, of course everyone has a different life and a different equation with
Yeah.
the relationships that he's into. Who is the first person a man can think of when he's in trouble and wants to confide or wants to share?
Parents,
Parents?
100%.
Okay, that is if the guy is single, or it's the equation. I'm just asking on terms, does
Like-
it generally go with men who are married as well?
Well, it depends. Now, if they don't have parents or family, like होता है, then obviously they think about their partner first.
Has there been any time where you have felt very vulnerable and you've kind of broken down, or
Oh yeah, I have many times, and I process those emotions. I won't shy off to say that yeah, I have sat by myself and I've cried. Yeah.
have you ever tried, I mean, why by yourself?
As you mentioned a few minutes ago that नहीं बात करते हैं, right? So men normally don't talk because then there's this fear of being judged.
You haven't considered, see, knowing you a bit, I know from the kind of household you come from,
Yeah.
and very advanced and very emotionally bonded and everything. Why still? And because now you've very beautifully you've expressed a lot of things that
Yeah.
it's okay, because it's okay if men cry, it's
Yeah.
okay. Haven't you considered breaking down in front of your parents, your family?
I would say I've discussed, problems with family, right? But breaking down कभी कभी कैसा होता है ना, that sometimes you just want to be by yourself as well, because as you said, as I mentioned, vulnerability can be strength too. Now that, like, for me, if you ask me, when I'm by myself, so then I'm thinking about things, right? Then I'm processing those emotions.
Okay.
And when I'm processing those emotions, I'm probably in my own energy, in my own space. I might have a discussion about it, right? But वो टाइम पे जब मैं वो प्रोसेस कर रहा हूँ, सो वो टाइम पे इफ आई एंड अप ब्रेकिंग डाउन, it's fine, वो होता है. But then that is where then I find the strength also to come out of it.
Okay.
So हुए ऐसे situations when I went through certain difficulties in regards to my work, going through a failed relationship at that point in time, and clearly the reason for my breakup was absolutely just finances, nothing else.
Oh, is it?
Yes, that was it. There was no other problem as such. It was only this. And obviously at that time, my confidence was absolutely shattered. I'm like, okay, because, you know, society, patriarchy, right? And literally for a long time, I started valuing myself with my bank balance.
That's sad.
But it happens, it's true. And till date, men are doing this subconsciously or consciously. They are. And I have also done this for a long time, where I'm like, अच्छा shit, ऐसा नहीं है तो ये नहीं हो सकता है. तो then I'm like, then one day a very dear friend of mine, bromance, right? So you will have that one two friends जिसके साथ तुम सब बात कर सकते हो. So I have this very dear friend of mine, and when I was going through these emotions, I knew he is a friend that I can talk, and he also talks to me about emotional things as well, right? तो जब मैंने उसको बोला, and very beautiful thing he told me, and he made me understand in a very nice way, and he's like, why are you evaluating yourself with your bank balance?
Right.
I was like, and he told me, अच्छा मनन, मैं तेरे को आज अगर 1,000 करोड़ दूँ, right? and मैं तुझे बोलूँ कि तेरे पास 1 महीना है सिर्फ जीने के लिए, तो तू क्या पिक करेगा? Will you pick the 1,000 crores or will you pick your life?
Right.
Like life है तो तू वो बना सकता है ना.
Correct.
अगर वो है ही नहीं तो, एंड अगर आज तेरे पास से सब ले लिया, समझ, आज तेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? तो यू एज अ पर्सन तू क्या है, एंड व्हाट इज इट दैट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर वैल्यूज और योर एक्सपर्टीज और यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड आई एम लाइक, एंड सडनली आई रियलाइज के ओ शिट,
There's much more to me.
there's much more, yeah, because of the societal pressures and everything is why a man feels that way.
Right. Right.
But I was very glad that, you know, a friend of mine, a guy friend of mine could, you know, tell me this, because ऐसा तुम सब लड़कों के साथ बात भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Not all men are that evolved
True.
to understand and speak about these things.
True. It is majorly because they have also been raised in
Yeah.
a highly patriarchal
Correct.
concept,
Correct.
environment,
Correct.
where they also consider themselves only the providers. That is the only role that they have,
Yeah.
and they value or devalue themselves based on the amount of money they are making.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And here, Manan, I would also like to tell the females out there, just the way I was just discussing off camera with your beautiful mom and your aunt.
Yeah.
We women have also contributed a lot to the mess that has been created in the society. Okay, hum bhi, the women, when they become mothers to boys, the first thing they would want to look into a bride when they are searching a bride for their son.
Yeah.
They would want to look for beauty. They would want to look for kitni patli, kitni moti, kitni sundar, kitni, you know, gori, and
Yeah.
all of that. And uske baad kitna kaam kaaj kar leti hai ghar ka, how
Yeah.
can she take care
Yeah.
of the house. Indirectly, not even trying to understand what the girl's thought process is. Okay, and in the similar fashion, when you are searching a groom for the girl,
Yeah.
all that we are looking, I have never ever in my life come across a person who's saying, मुझे एक you know principle वाला या फिर you know right thought process वाला बंदा चाहिए मेरी बच्ची के लिए. All that they say is कितना कमाता है, MNC में काम करता है,
100%.
NRI है या नहीं है,
Yeah.
इंडिया में कहाँ रहता है, साउथ बॉम्बे या फिर सबर्ब्स.
Oh, you have no idea how people are stuck to the geographical locations in terms of marriage, right? And especially when you go in arranged marriage,
Right.
it's like you don't want to go two steps below,
Right.
right? Might be a great person, might be everything might be good, right? But जू के जू के इंसान को शायद मलाड भी नहीं समझ में आएगा, गोरेगांव भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, राइट? साउथ बॉम्बे को तो बैंड्रा के बियॉन्ड उनको दिखती
ही
नहीं
नहीं
है, मुंबई है ही नहीं उसके आगे, खत्म है.
Right, because this is all then related to money. If he's in South
Yeah.
Bombay, he's making money, or he has a lot of
Yeah,
ancestral
yeah.
money. So a
Exactly, it's
guy-
ancestral, right?
Right.
It's ancestral. If you build it up from that, all respect to you.
True.
Right? But it's ancestral.
So this is a very sad truth, and I would like to, kind of communicate this to all the women out there. Just the way we want, we look. हम सोचते हैं कि जो आने वाली जनरेशन होगी
Yeah.
थ्रू आवर किड्स दैट हैज टू बी गुड वैल्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट उसकी शुरुआत होगी यहाँ से.
Of course.
ओके अगर आप एक आदमी का वर्थ सिर्फ पैसों में देखोगे, आप उस पर सिर्फ जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ पैसों की डालोगे, तो वो सिर्फ पैसों तक ही लिमिट रह जाएगा. देन यू
Yes,
कैन नॉट
yes,
एक्सपेक्ट
yes.
that man to be very chivalrous and very
Yeah.
usulwadi and somebody who's great with his values and all, because your direction or your thought process is only in one direction.
Correct.
And that is how we women have also in a very unfortunate way contributed to this entire mess that has been created in the society.
100%. Yes.
This-
That's very true. Women have contributed to this, and which is why then men feel that superiority, you know?
Right.
कि ठीक है पर मैं कमा रहा हूँ ना, मैं ये करके दे रहा हूँ ना.
Right.
That is when the toxicity comes in.
comes into the picture.
कि मैं ये
Absolutely.
कर रहा हूँ ना, I am doing this. So वो एक by default वो superiority फिर आ जाती है.
True.
Because the woman has also put these what we say
थॉट प्रोसेस ये उन्होंने ही
डाला है, राइट?
Correct.
एंड तुम अगर वो एनर्जी दे रहे हो तो फिर तुमको रिटर्न में फिर वैसी एनर्जी आएगी.
Absolutely.
एंड बट आई वुड से लॉट ऑफ वुमेन आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दिस,
Comfortable with?
with this setup. They are okay with, you know, because अगर उनका agenda ये है, the men has to be the providers and all of that, and in regards to कितना कमा रहे हो, क्या है क्या नहीं, तो then they are kind of okay with the toxicity as well. चल जाता है. I'm not saying all, but है, ऐसे भी लोग हैं.
But ये फिर वापस वहीं जाता है. It goes back to the parents only, Manan. I have seen a
100%.
lot of
ये सारा
women who
upbringing
do
है.
not. Nobody likes
Yeah.
domestic violence.
Yeah,
Nobody likes the toxicity and the authoritative thing that happens between a man and a woman. But when she goes back to her mother or her father for that reason, वो यही बोलते तो ठीक है ना, अभी तुम थोड़ी ना बाहर जाके कमा सकती हो, अभी तुम थोड़ी ना घर चला सकती हो,
correct.
वो घर चला रहा है तो फिर बेर कर लो. हमने
इसीलिए-
भी तो बेर किया है.
इसीलिए पहले के टाइम पे सेपरेशन नहीं होता था, डिवोर्स नहीं होता था, राइट? बिकॉज सडनली द वुमन वुड फील के अब मैं क्या करूँगी, बिकॉज उनकी तो पूरी वर्ल्ड उधर
Dependency.
रिवॉल्व हो गई है अराउंड दैट मैन, राइट?
डिपेंडेंसी. तो
Dependency
हमने
हो जाती है.
जो एक रिलेशनशिप व्हिच कुड हैव बीन वेरी हेल्दी, वेरी वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल, इफ वी वुडंट हैव पुट ऑल दीज जेंडर रोल्स. Okay, for a fact, Manan, I do not believe making money or cooking food are gender roles.
Not
I
at
really
all.
do not think that.
नॉट एट ऑल. कितने शेफ्स आप देखो, दे आर मेल.
Correct. Even if not chefs, na Manan, if you are a man, you should know how to cook.
Yeah,
Because you do not know you have to cook for your survival. You go out, you earn,
absolutely,
and,
absolutely.
and vice versa. If you're a female, you should know how to make money.
Make money. True.
You know,
True.
you cannot depend on your husband, father,
Yeah.
brother
Yeah.
for your survival,
Yeah.
to make money, to help yourself or your family, your kids
Yeah.
in future. But very unfortunately, very sadly, हमने ये gender roles बना दिए कि आदमी कमाएगा, औरत घर चलाएगी. See, on mutual understanding वो होता है very good, no
True,
problem.
true, yeah.
Okay, but अगर roles reverse होते हैं, it shouldn't be a problem.
It shouldn't be a stigma. मतलब
Correct.
the society shouldn't feel a certain way because वो अपने choice से अपना कर रहे हैं ना,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो क्यों, why the judgment?
So Manan, further understanding a man's perspective, and now we talk particularly about relationships and love.
Okay.
So, as we all know, love and relationships, they come with a set of expectations.
Right.
In your opinion, what are those qualities that men usually seek in a woman when they are looking out for a partner?
Okay. So, basic terms में to be understood, right? You dive in a little deeper in terms of emotional support and all of that. तो वो एक ऐसा एंगल है बिकॉज तुम्हें पता है दैट योर मदर विल अंडरस्टैंड यू द मोस्ट, राइट? एंड उसमें वो जजमेंट नहीं आएगा, करेक्ट? एंड इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग रॉन्ग समवेयर, देयर विल बी अ वे अ मदर विल गाइड यू, यू नो,
Right.
इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग रॉन्ग. ये फियर आ जाता है इन, लेट्स से नाउ इन टुडेज रिलेशनशिप्स, बिकॉज लोगों का बैंडविथ इतना कम है ना टू अंडरस्टैंड, तो पहले जजमेंट आ जाता है. एंड फिर एज अ मैन द मैन फील्स, अच्छा ऐसा फिर जजमेंट के बाद व्हाट इफ आई स्टार्ट लूजिंग माई रिस्पेक्ट बिकॉज माई पार्टनर इज गोइंग टू बी जजिंग मी, राइट? तो दिस इज वेयर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वेश्चन कम्स के तुम समझोगे व्हाट द मैन इज ट्राइंग टू से, ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू, यू नो, गाइड हिम और नर्चर हिम द राइट वे. वो बोलते हैं ना कि एक औरत घर बना भी सकती है, बिगाड़ भी सकती है, करेक्ट? इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग द रॉन्ग गाइडेंस तो यू विल गो ऑन अ नेगेटिव स्पाइरल.
Right.
But if you are in a good energy, that is when the progression will happen.
True.
तो वो बोलते हैं that behind every successful man is a woman. It's because of the nurturing.
Right. So, जैसे one phrase that that has always been around, when you ask a man what kind of a woman you're looking for, or what do you want, the first and the easiest way he says is, I want somebody who can
Like my mom.
be like a mother, who can be like my mother,
Yeah.
how my mother has
Yeah.
been. So, this equation you said, one is that they do not want, mother never judges their child.
Correct.
And that is one quality that every man is seeking, according to you,
Yeah.
is seeking in their life partner.
Yeah.
And understanding, of course. Anything else you think in today's world, especially now when we have the technology, when we have social media, when we have n number of things influencing both the genders,
Right.
anything you think is furthermore required, or something that man should have on his eligibility list?
मुझे तो लगता है यार the learning quality has to be a must.
Okay.
Both ways.
They should be open to
They should be open
learning
to learning.
to new
Correct,
experiences
correct.
and all.
Because ठीक है, fine, ऐसा बोलते हैं, but the man also should not just stick to that, because ideally, eventually, तो they both are different personalities, right?
Correct.
Both are different personalities. Both have had different upbringings, set of values, perceptions. तो ये एक simple तरीका है बोलने का, right? कि like my mother, right? But then it's two different people at the end of the day. You might see certain qualities that can be similar, but you can't get the same person.
Of course.
Yeah. The same way जैसे लड़कियां बोलती है, वो पहले ही एक लड़कों को प्रेशर में डाल देती है बेंचमार्क डाल के कि इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक माई फादर, यू नो. लड़का तो सबसे पहले वही प्रेशर में आ जाता है कि अच्छा ये कैसे मैचअप करना है, यू नो. बट योर फादर इज एट अ सर्टेन पोजिशन at this age after all the learnings he's been through.
Correct.
You can't expect the same from a young
Much
person.
younger person
exactly,
than the
exactly.
father.
क्योंकि उतना exposure नहीं हुआ है, उतना learnings नहीं हुआ है लाइफ में, तो तुम वो expect नहीं कर सकते हो ना फिर.
True, very true, very true. And now getting to one of the part that I wanted to ask you in the previous segment when we were discussing about finances and
Yeah.
how, you know, finances play a very pivotal role again in
Yeah.
the making of a relationship and a breaking of a relationship.
Yeah.
Now since the dynamics are changing, earlier men were the only providers of the family and they were the breadwinners of the family.
Yeah.
Now we have a lot of women also working.
Correct.
The dynamic is changing. How well are men taking this particular aspect? Is it getting on to their certain men, I wouldn't say all, is it, how well do they take a woman working and making money, and in the case when the woman is making more money than the man?
Yeah. So see, I'll tell you, this is a very situational thing, right? And to each their own. सबका अलग thought process है, सबका अलग viewpoint है. you are right. There are a lot of men who get insecure, you know, if the woman is earning more than them. But then the man has to be confident in his own energy, right?
Right.
And if you actually are a well-wisher and you consider that person as your better half, then you should be happy for the wins
Correct.
that she's, you know, having in her life. And it's vice versa. There's a saying, right? My better half should be my feather, like by my side throughout, you know, at each and every win. And it's not just the wins, it's also the losses, because that is the actual test of the relationship, right?
True.
Everything is not going to be rosy, everything is not going to be, you know, hunky dory and nice. You will have setbacks, you will have complications. It depends on two people. If they are, I'll tell you a very simple thing. Complications and flaws सब में है.
बिल्कुल.
तुमको डिसाइड करना है तुमको कितने फ्लॉ के साथ रहना है. Simple. It's just as simple as that. Nobody is perfect.
True.
But certain things can be non-negotiable for some people. And that's absolutely fine. This
Right.
goes both ways, even from women's side, even from men's side. But तुमको जिस complications के साथ okay है and you can still see your life through is when it will work out.
You know, with that movie, there was this beautiful movie which spoke about role reversals, Ki and Ka, that
Ki
you
and Ka,
just
yeah.
mentioned.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छे से बताया था. The woman is making money, the guy is a house husband and everything. But suddenly, after a period of time, when the guy starts getting a lot of recognition or
Yeah.
appreciated, he was appreciated for his thought process of taking us, you know, step behind and doing, sitting at home. But then the woman got a little insecure.
Yeah.
What do you think was the reason for that entire twist in it?
Insecurity.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said the woman was insecure. मुझे ऐसा लगता है because I think this comes from a place when the woman starts feeling insecure about, I don't know why, पर वो एक competitive streak आ जाती है फिर, you know, and only वो situation में then the person will not be happy if, you know, suddenly you are starting to get importance or attention or being appreciated, because शायद उनको वो चाहिए या उनको वो उतना नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वो इतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है अपने खुद के एनर्जी में, इसलिए वो इनसिक्योर हो रहे हैं कि अच्छा इनको क्यों मिल रहा है.
Right.
आइडियली दे शुड बी हैप्पी,
Correct.
राइट?
Also, this stems from somewhere. What I think is it also stems from that when you have thought, okay, इसका रोल ये नहीं था, इसका रोल था कमाने का. It was his job, it was his duty, it was his. But I am doing it now. That superiority feeling.
हाँ,
And
हाँ.
suddenly, when that is taken away from you, the other half is getting more recognition
Yeah.
and all. But I have never seen this happening in reverse situations. Like, you know, the man, if the woman is doing good, okay, there are very few men जिनकी male ego आ जाती है. But then I have, with the dynamics now changing and all, I've seen a lot of men supporting their women
Yeah.
because they realize that, you know, two things. One is the girl has the potential, and secondly, they want to support her ambition.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So when that is the beauty of the man's thought process, which I think women are lacking.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
You have
Yeah.
anything to talk on this?
See, from a man's point of view, when the woman starts doing better, ये भी सोसाइटल प्रेशर के वजह से एक आदमी को ऐसा लगता है कि ओ माई गॉड व्हाट विल पीपल से, कह रहे बीवी तो इससे ज़्यादा कमाती है, यू नो. बट द पॉइंट इज़, अगर आप सिर्फ उस फाइनेंसेस वाला चीज़ को छोड़ दोगे, एंड वाई डोंट यू ट्राई सीइंग दैट द मैन इज़ सो इवॉल्व्ड और इज़ सो सपोर्टिव टूवर्ड्स द पार्टनर, बिकॉज दे बोथ आर अ टीम. अभी जब वो दो जन एक टीम है तो वो टीम मिलके कर रहा है ना.
Correct.
जो भी ज्यादा करे या कम करे, इट्स टीम वर्क, राइट? द मैन इज डूइंग समथिंग फ्रॉम बाय हिमसेल्फ,
Of course.
राइट? पॉइंट इज टू कीप थिंग्स अफ्लोट. एंड इसमें कुछ लाइक व्हाई द हेजिटेशन इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ सोसाइटल प्रेशर, नथिंग एल्स. विच इज व्हेन, एंड अगर एक आदमी ऐसा सोच नहीं भी रहा है ना, लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं, विच इज व्हेन इट्स लाइक यू प्लांट अ थॉट, राइट? तुमने एक सीड डाल दिया है, फिर वो आदमी उस पर ओवरथिंक करेगा, फिर उस पर वो सोचेगा, फिर वो खुद की क्रेडिबिलिटी को क्वेश्चन करेगा,
Confidence lose करेगा.
कॉन्फिडेंस लूज करेगा. बट
Agreed.
दिस इज वेयर इट गोज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज let's say now two situations. One person might say, या बिचिंग बोल दो या गॉसिपिंग बोल दो कि अरे यार इसकी बीवी तो इससे ज़्यादा कमाती है, राइट. एंड दूसरे साइड पे ये हो जाता है दैट नाउ लेट्स से एक इंसान ने ऐसे बोला, एंड अगर एक दूसरा इंसान बोलता है कि वाह वेरी गुड यार, if your wife is good at it, she is capitalizing it in the right way.
Correct.
For you all to have a better life.
Right.
There's so much difference in these two thought processes. अगर तुम ये thought process सुनोगे तो man will also feel confident कि ठीक है यार.
Correct.
But दूसरा सुनोगे then the man will start questioning.
Right. He'll either encourage or discourage the
Correct.
entire.
And फिर subconsciously when that plays, then that slowly starts affecting your relationship.
Absolutely.
Because अब तुमने वो आ गया है, subconsciously you're giving out that energy to your wife as well then.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
And that is when arguments will start happening up. Then slowly it'll start below the belt. And that is how then things start going south. It depends on the thought process of a man as well. And the same way with a woman. चलो ठीक है, providers बोलते हैं तो ज़्यादा करके I would say a man's thought process in that aspect.
I'll tell you a very interesting story or conversation that I was having with one of the guests who was
Yeah.
on my podcast.
Yeah.
So I asked him, has there been a time where you have felt discriminated just for being a man? So he told me a very sweet little thing. He said when he was looking for prospect girls, okay, shadi ke liye and everything. So he met this girl, and the first question the girl asked him was, what is your salary, or how much are you making? So he said, he told her that, okay, I'm making XYZ. She said, you know what, I am okay with the marriage, I'm okay with the proposal, but there are few things that I feel I should put up right in front of you so that there are no miscommunications. Number one, I need one domestic holiday a year, one international holiday a year, and shopping from XYZ brands. So these in a year, like annual shopping is compulsory.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I really want to put it in front of you so that, you know, later you do not feel that, you know, these were not laid down in front. So he said, I appreciate that. And but I just want to know, how much are you making?
Yeah.
And she said, I'm making 10,000 a month. And he said, 10,000 a month, and you're
Yeah.
supporting this kind of lifestyle.
Yeah.
That the reason I am not supporting is I want it from you.
Oh shit.
So you understand,
Yeah.
this is something.
It's so sad, but
So the foundation of
yeah.
a marriage
Yeah.
is now decided on the amount, if he can give me that kind of a lifestyle
Correct. Yeah.
or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this expectation again, I feel, is pressurizing a lot of men out there.
Oh, 100%. I'll tell you from my own experience, the failed relationship that I mentioned where it was because of finances. Now let's say when I'm battling things, right, or trying to figure things out, the girl is also working.
Right.
If I have to go out and take up a job, as per my expertise and as per my experience, I will get an X amount, which is probably 5-6 times of what she's earning.
Right.
Right? But, and literally जब ये conversation हुआ था, and I was like, you know, we'll figure it out because things will change, doors will open up, right? एंड चीज़ें बेटर ही होगी ना. अगर आप एक जॉब भी लेते हो तो उसमें भी हर साल इंक्रीमेंट होती है आपकी, करेक्ट? यू ग्रो, देयर इज नो स्टैग्नेंसी इन दैट. बट एंड लिटरली आई वाज थ्रोन दीज क्वेश्चंस के, अरे पर अगर हम महीने के 4 लाख कर रहे हैं तो उसमें हम रहेंगे कैसे, उसके बाद हॉलीडेज़ कैसे करेंगे, इंश्योरेंसेस और सब कैसे करेंगे. आई वाज लाइक यार ये यहीं पे तो नहीं रुकने वाला ना. इट विल कीप गेटिंग बेटर if even in my entrepreneurial journey, let's say if I'm facing a setback and if I take this temporary decision also, you know, to take up a job, I am still going to go back to being an entrepreneur,
Of
right?
course.
This is just a temporary stint where I would do to probably keep my mind occupied. But, and that is when I realized कि अगर वो faith नहीं है ना सामने वाले को तुम पे, तो तुम क्यों अपना सर फोड़ रहे हो उस चीज़ के पीछे, यू नो, यू जस्ट वॉक आउट ऑफ इट. वो टाइम पे आई हैड दो सेटबैक्स, बट देन इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज दैट दिस वॉज माई लर्निंग. आई रादर टेक इट एज माई स्ट्रेंथ नाउ and be like, okay, fine, we both just had different journeys in life. She had her own journey, I had my own journey, and this was just not the right fit. You're a great person, fine. We are not the right match.
This is the most sad part if a relationship breaks just based on
Yeah.
the current financial situation.
Absolutely. And I was literally told that, will you call me if you close your investment round? And I'm like, you'd be the last person I'll call.
I mean, how did she even expect you to answer that
Yeah.
question?
Yeah. I literally said that. You'd be the last person I'll call.
But I'm sure now this incident, this very personal thing that you just shared with
Yeah.
us,
Yeah.
did it affect you in any way in terms of your confidence in your terms
At
of
that
your
point,
mental?
yes. At that point in time, when I was processing these emotions, definitely yes. Because, and let's just say sometimes this is how you even understand people, right? Even in terms of friends, जिनको आप friends मानते हो, you might share things, but उनके thought process से also you realize कि कितने actually friends है.
Correct.
सही टाइम पे तो 100 लोग आ जाएंगे. आज आप बोलो आपको पार्टी थ्रो करनी है, देखो कितने आएंगे, सब आएंगे. प्रॉब्लम अगर है तो देखो कितने खड़े होते हैं,
Not
राइट?
even one.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड वो टाइम पे प्रॉबली ये सब एक साथ इतना सारा सब हो रहा था इन रिगार्ड्स टू माई वर्क, देन दिस फेल्ड रिलेशनशिप, एंड प्रॉबली द रॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं वो लोग ने भी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस तोड़ने में कुछ कमी नहीं छोड़ी है. बिकॉज दे वर लाइक कि अरे इससे बेटर तो कैसे होता, यू नो, you think you'll get somebody better than this.
Oh.
And I'm like, who the fuck are you to even, like, you know, decide that for me? You look
Correct.
at yourself first.
Right.
I know what I bring to the table. I don't need. पर वो टाइम पे obviously I did not, right? Because I was also very vulnerable.
True.
तो वो टाइम पे then if you hear these kind of things, it kind of plays with your mindset. And you start thinking that way. Oh fuck, कैसे होगा? कोई भी कैसे अपनी लड़की देगा? And whatever. I wouldn't say कि it's wrong for a father to feel that my daughter will be secured and happy and so the guy is doing. But is it just that? आज अगर मेरे पास 100 करोड़ है, एग्जाम्पल, बट आई एम नॉट अ गुड पर्सन, राइट?
Right.
I will come back home drunk and I'll beat the shit out of my wife. Will the father be okay in a setup like that?
Of course not.
No, right? So why is it not just being seen on the basis के कितना कमाता है? Why can't it be कि इसके अलावा क्या है, ethics क्या है, values क्या है, upbringing कैसी है,
Correct.
right? Yeah, I mean, I was pretty shattered at that point in time with this particular experience. I never, मतलब ये एक नई चीज़ हो गई थी मेरे लिए, because मेरे डिक्शनरी में ऐसा था नहीं. It's like if you're in love, you're in love.
Correct.
You fight things out. It's as simple as that.
Right.
And जब ये हुआ, I was like, यार dude, ऐसे calculative भी होते हैं. And as I mentioned, probably wrong friends, because even they were like, कि ठीक है ना, क्या गलत किया उसने? Practical decision लिया ना. She just took a practical decision. उसमें क्या हो गया?
Was
Madan? It's
falling in
fine.
love practical at that point of time?
Exactly, you know, and it was just weird at that point in time. And वो टाइम पे obviously ये चीज़ें सुनी मैंने, वो टाइम पे thought process भी वैसा हो गया. Then I would say once you heal from that situation ना, is when you see things with a different lens. Then फिर तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा, okay, ये सही था, ये गलत था. वो टाइम पे नहीं समझ में आता है. Which is why I said vulnerability is strength.
Strength.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Manan, now when that you are so high on emotions and you've shared such a
Yeah.
personal story
Yeah.
with us, what is your piece of advice that you would like to give to two people out here? One is to the girls or the better half who's deciding a person's journey based on the finances that he has, the current financial situation. And second is to the friends who kind of discourage or do not understand your mental health at that point of time.
I'll come to the women first, right? Stop evaluating a man on the basis of bank balance, right? I think first they need to understand is कि तुम एक आदमी की पहले upbringing समझो. What ethics or what morals do the person have, right? क्योंकि अगर वो foundation हिला है ना, तो तुम अच्छी life, अगर तुमको अच्छी life चाहिए, तो फिर तुम वो नहीं कर पाओगे.
Correct.
Right? And for the friends, I think the discouragement comes from their own insecurity. मुझे पता है मेरे सिचुएशन में काफ़ी लोग ऐसे थे जो बहुत इनसिक्योर थे मेरे से.
Okay.
आई नो दैट. वो कोई भी रीज़न के लिए हो, वट एवर, बट एंड वो इनसिक्योरिटी की वजह से आपको डिस्करेज करते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक दे आर इनसिक्योर, you are vulnerable, perfect time to break you.
Combination, yeah. True, very true. And the last over here, the piece of advice I want for is people like you who have faced such situations. काफी होंगे, you were strong enough, you
Yeah.
were brave enough
Yeah.
to make a rational decision at that point of time. But I'm sure there would be many who wouldn't be able to
Wouldn't be able to,
decide.
yeah.
सो ऐसे लोगों के लिए या ऐसे लड़कों के लिए आपकी क्या एडवाइस रहेगी जब वो उस सिचुएशन में है जहाँ दोस्त भी डिस्करेज कर रहे हैं, एंड द गर्ल इज आल्सो जज्ड हिम एंड लेफ्ट हिम एंड मूव्ड ऑन एंड यू नो बेस्ड ऑन एंड ब्रोकन हिज कॉन्फिडेंस.
Yeah. Seek help. There's nothing wrong in that. If you need to even visit a therapist, seek help. And sometimes it always helps when it's a stranger
Correct.
compared to a friend, because the stranger will not have any judgments.
Right.
You know, it's completely from a raw viewpoint that you will, get it
Right.
directly.
Right.
And I think men shouldn't shy off from that. What's the harm if you go to a therapist?
Right.
तुमको फिजिकल पेन होता है तो तुम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो ना. तो जब इंटरनल कुछ हो रहा है तो फिर क्यों नहीं. एंड वो नहीं समझ में आता है, सो देन पीपल आर लाइक, अरे पागल है क्या, थेरेपिस्ट के पास कौन जाता है. बट यू आर ट्राइंग टू रेक्टिफाई अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. व्हाई द स्टिग्मा?
Correct.
So yeah, just seek help. You have an issue, talk to somebody. If you think you don't have the right people to talk to, then reach out to professionals for that. You have lot of, now though you have life coaches, you have these people, you can seek out. There are therapists who can guide you in the right way in terms of nurturing your mindset,
Right.
about things. So
True.
do it. And it's if you feel कि oh my god, therapists charge a lot or whatever, so you have to then prioritize.
No, but
Your mental health is most important.
Absolutely, absolutely. And there are a lot of people that I know of, being a counselor and being in
Yeah.
the profession myself, I know of who are available. Of course, if charges is a problem, there are a
Yeah.
lot of NGOs, there
Yeah.
are a lot of people who are voluntarily willing to help people. Just so that the in the beginning that figures that we just discussed,
Yeah.
the suicide rates, वो ना हो बोल के there are so many people who are willing to help.
ये काउंट ना बहुत ड्रास्टिकली ड्रॉप हो सकता है इफ पीपल जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. एंड ये सब में भी पता है एक्चुअली व्हेन दे वांट टू इवन रीच आउट ना, what another thing that I've understood or my observation is that they just want to be heard. They only want to be heard without judgment.
Correct.
इसलिए शायद तुम एक स्ट्रेंजर के साथ ज़्यादा इजीली बात कर सकते हो कंपेयर टू अ नोन पर्सन.
A known
नोन पर्सन में जजमेंट आएंगे ही आएंगे, वो कुछ भी हो जाए.
We spoke about relationship. We spoke about your personal experience. Now let's get on to let's go a step further.
Yeah.
Okay. As we mentioned, your dad is into the business of
Yeah.
matrimony, and he helps people
Correct.
get connected to, for marriage purposes. What have you come across any kind of unrealistic and irrational and a funny eligibility that women have when they're looking out for grooms?
ये सबका बेसिक ना तो वही होता है,
पैसा.
पैसा. पैसा इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. उसके बाद तुमको लुक्स और वो सब में भी चाहिए, राइट. So I have heard many stories like that, many stories, and I'm like, what unreal expectations are these? मतलब तुम खुद को तो देखो पहले, okay fine, you want it fine, but why don't you self reflect as well?
Correct.
खुद के बारे में तो पहले जानो कि ये है fine. Everybody wants to aim for the best. No harm in that, but coming with that preset notion, that is wrong.
So,
But-
apart from, आपने कभी have you encountered somebody? Money, of course, is the priority for every girl or the girl's family. Anything that you feel is another weird thing that they demand or expect from the groom's end or the men's?
एक मैंने सुना था, there was a guy and he had gone bald, right? He was getting rejected on the basis of that.
Oh God.
On the basis of that. So much he tried to get married. A good human being, right? A good person, good family, good upbringing, very well loaded. But bald. So on that basis, he was getting rejected. Just on that basis. I mean, imagine, matlab, I understand ke, hair can play a lot with a man's confidence, but getting just rejected on the basis of that, that's a bit too
You
shallow.
know, you've rightly picked up a very controversial topic over here,
Yeah.
hair and men.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. Oh, yes.
Men are
yes.
extremely sensitive
Very, very, very.
when it comes
yeah.
to, when they see a receding hairline.
Yeah.
Or, I have really, I had known people who are in the best of professions, doctors.
Yeah.
Okay, and well earning, in a good setup, like
Yeah.
good clinic and everything, but their confidence is zero
Yeah.
just because of a receding hairline.
Yes, that's
तो ये
true.
क्या
होता है ये.
इक्वेशन है, ये क्या मोहब्बत है आपकी बालों से?
या ऑनेस्टली मुझे नहीं पता, बट आई वुड से ख्याल रखो फिर अपना अच्छे से. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. आई टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ वेरी वेल एंड आई लाइक इट बिकॉज आई लाइक when I see myself in the mirror.
Right.
And I take the efforts to take care of myself. Right? Men don't. When they don't, then they want to complain. I understand hereditary issues हो सकते हैं, genetic issues हो सकते हैं, but अभी सारे solutions आ गए हैं. Right? So now people go in for transplants, they go in for patches and all of that. बट हाँ, ये मैंने देखा है, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ होता है, प्ले तो होता है, काफी लोग का देखा है.
And of course, जब when you are getting rejected based
On the basis of that,
so
yeah,
again
imagine.
there is something
yeah.
that is put into your head.
Correct.
That you've
correct,
got to be obsessed
correct.
with your hair
yeah,
now.
Yeah. But I think, just in general as an advice for men, I think men grooming पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए आदमियों को. Like I religiously follow my night routine and all of that. I do it.
Okay.
Right? And I think I like it, and what's the harm in that? क्यों? पहले ये भी एक स्टिग्मा है ना. अरे लड़की है क्या क्रीम वीम लगा रहा है.
Correct.
Right? But वो गलत है. क्यों नहीं? मेरी स्किन है. I want to take care of myself.
Right.
And
I
I have
want to
to
look and feel good.
And I have to been raised by a beautician.
Oh.
तो मुझे तो बचपन से ही ये सब डाला हुआ है, like get your cleanups done, get your facials done, So,
Awesome.
and there's nothing wrong in that.
And that sense of pampering.
Yeah.
Okay, here when we say that, when we are talking about self-love, when
Yeah.
we're talking about keeping yourself, pampering yourself is not only limited to women.
Yeah.
Like, there are many times, abhi, for boys, when you all have get-togethers or when you meet your buddies, you all are either hanging around some pub or disc
Yeah.
or something, or
Yeah.
you're on the chai tapri. Either of the places. But the girls usually bond over salons and spas, and
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
have their spa dates and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
But slowly, I know men are also going towards it. But again, there is a stigma, like pampering किसको चाहिए?
हाँ.
There's this phase, no? मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, and जितना रफ उतना मर्द.
जितना रफ उतना टफ.
हाँ, जितना रफ उतना टफ. So ये वाला concept जो है, आपकी masculinity या आपकी मर्दानगी is only showcased if you are not doing things that women are doing. Okay, और हमने ये भी limit कर दी है. तो pampering again, as you told me off the camera, men also like pampering.
Yeah.
And men also want to, one of the gifts, usually women, being a girl, even I understand it is very difficult when you've got to think a lot, kya gift karna hai, kya gift karna hai.
Yeah.
Because there are shirts, there's pants, there's shoes,
Correct.
and wallets and very basic things that men have.
Yeah.
कुछ और ज़्यादा है
Perfumes,
नहीं.
yeah, basic,
हाँ.
yeah.
So a very good gifting option that I figured out for my man was a spa date or something
Yeah,
like that for
yeah.
him. I mean, he's so then relaxed, and the mental health is also a little
Correct,
more.
correct.
And of course, there's nothing wrong. But then, as you said, लोगों के बातों से हटो, अपने आप से प्यार करो,
Yeah.
and take care of your skin, take care of your hair.
I think spas are great. I love spas, right? And now that you have couple spas as well,
Correct.
you should experience these things because these are experiences, right? Whether you are with somebody or not, but this is the kind of pampering you should do for yourself.
Correct.
इसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं है. Self love बोलते हैं, self love समझो तो सही पहले. कैसे होता है? एंड उसमें फिर स्टिग्मा डालने की जरूरत नहीं कि आदमी को ये करने की जरूरत नहीं. क्यों नहीं जरूरत है? क्यों? उनको दिखना भी अच्छा है.
Correct.
पर फिर ये सब करने में स्टिग्मा क्यों है फिर?
Right. Right.
तो करो फिर पूरी तरह करो एंड ओन अप. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग इन दैट? ओन अप टू इट. I I feel really good when men take care of themselves.
Correct.
Because what's wrong if you know how to, present yourself if you're going out anywhere, or you how you present yourself, उतनी तुमको सामने वाला भी इज्जत करेगा, right?
True.
If you keep yourself a certain way is when the other person will also respect you.
Yeah.
Because I think this also speaks about a man's discipline
True.
in a way.
of
Old fashioned
course,
way
of course.
discipline is very different definition, but this is also a form of discipline, right?
True. Very
That
true.
you adhere to it, you stick to it, and consistency. So yeah.
Beautiful. But I'm still stuck with one thing you mentioned.
Yeah.
You have a night routine, and I really
Yeah.
want to know that.
Oh yes. So see,
And
I'll
that
tell you.
could
So
be
I'll
a
tell
help.
you. So I'll start with my face wash, right?
Okay.
Then I'll go for my toner. Then I'll go for the serum, and then I'll go for the moisturizer. So like a
Oh.
proper 4-step routine.
Okay.
And मैंने काफी explore किया हुआ है from hyaluronic acid
To niacinamide.
So now I know what suits me, so I only stick to that, which is niacinamide.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. If at all you all want any sort of
Oh,
male
100%.
grooming tips,
I can do that.
make
No
sure you
problem.
connect with Manan. I'm going to put his contact details in
problem.
the description.
No problem. I can definitely guide on that for sure.
So, Manan, we've had a very heart-touching, warm, and quite an insightful session. A beautiful podcast. A lot
Thank
of
you.
information
Thank
shared.
you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for all that you've shared, certain
Yeah.
personal stories
Yeah.
and certain observations.
Yeah.
I'm sure our viewers and our listeners both are going to benefit a lot from this. Now, moving on to the next segment, which is a little fun and quirky one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to throw a couple of questions your way, and you've got to
Okay.
give me. So I would say this is one of my quick fire round.
Okay.
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 Though there's no hamper that you're winning for this.
Done. ठीक है.
But then something I'm sure is a bit fun. So beginning with your first question, love
Okay.
language. What is your go-to way to express love and care?
Give them something that makes them happy.
Okay. What's the best piece of advice you've received about relationships?
Actually मुझे ऐसे advice दिया ही नहीं है किसने, मतलब I'm still trying to understand what can be the best piece of advice I received in the
Okay.
relationship.
You're still figuring it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
मैंने advice दिया है काफी.
What is the best one that you think you've given?
Live and let live.
Okay. What's the one grooming product or routine you swear by?
My night routine.
Okay, which we just discussed.
Yes.
First step.
Yes.
I have it all in my head now. What's the first thing you notice about someone when you meet them?
Personality. I wouldn't pick just eyes or whatever. Personality. Because it can be that somebody might not be that good looking, but very good personality.
Correct.
You know?
Correct.
So, personality.
How important is grooming for mental and emotional well-being?
Very important. You do good to yourself, you feel good about yourself.
Right.
And which is why then you feel good mentally as well.
Absolutely, I agree. Do you believe in grand gestures or small, thoughtful acts of love?
It's always the small things that matter.
Right.
It's always, even in any sort of relationship, friendship or your better half, small gestures is what matters the most. You might forget the big gestures or whatever, and people will understand also. It's the small things that matter. And it's these small things only that make things better as well. Because वो कभी कोई नहीं भूलेगा.
Right. On this, though this is your rapid fire round or your
Yeah.
quick fire round, I'll tell you something that just, hit the chord when you said this. So, my better half, okay, he usually, whenever we are walking around and whenever we are out, he doesn't ever forget carrying my bag.
Yeah.
Though there is we get a lot of stares. We get a lot of people looking at us when he's carrying my bag,
Yeah.
my purse. A
Yeah.
man
Yeah.
carrying a lady purse,
अरे क्या हो गया? It's just an accessory. It's
Correct.
a bag. क्या? What
But
big deal is
the
it?
intention behind it is like, I know this is going to, of course, he's more physically stronger than me.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
he feels अगर थोड़े वक्त के लिए if he carries the bag, it is no big deal.
Yeah.
That thought that he cares about me not
True.
being in pain
True.
is so beautiful.
The small gestures is what
Small
matters the
gestures,
most.
and
Yes.
that's what just I
Yeah.
could recall right now. Okay, what's your secret to maintaining long-lasting friendships?
Actually, I have had really long friendships, and my close set of friends are all who know me since almost 2 decades now. The secret to maintaining that is, oh yes, acceptance. Everybody is flawed, nobody is perfect. When you accept the person for the way they are, that's when you make peace, and that's when the relationship gets stronger, the
True.
bond gets stronger.
Very true, very true. Beautiful. What's one grooming tip every man should know to feel confident?
Just take care of yourself, man. It's this is one life, right? Take care of yourself. Grooming tip mein, go for like basic things. If you don't want to go for any other products, basic at least दिन में 2 से 3 बार फेस वॉश तो यूज़ कर लो. उतना तो कर लो, fine. You don't want to get to the advanced level of following a routine or something. This is the most basic that everybody
You
should
can
do.
do, right.
Yeah. So as a tip, at least do this.
How do you juggle relationships and work responsibilities effectively?
Both are very different roles, and if this is also one way you can keep sanity in the relationship. Once you move out of your professional space, right, don't bring your problems home. Subconsciously वो रहेगा. Nobody is saying that you can just cut the thought, right? But try not bringing those problems home.
Right. And the last one here, who's your inspiration for personal style or grooming?
Lewis Hamilton.
Okay. What
Yeah.
about him? What is the most thing that you like?
Oh, have you seen the way he dresses himself? He does it nothing less than a fashion show. On an F1 paddock, he is the most fashionable man. And if you ask my personal opinion, I think Ranveer Singh copies him a lot.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So indirectly,
This is
even
going to
he's
get a lot of hate. I could be diplomatically correct,
you
but
can be. Let me tell you, I mean, Ranveer and his fashion is again a very misunderstood concept.
yes, it is. It is.
Something he likes, he loves.
I think
he
it's
adopts.
amazing.
Right.
He knows he can carry it off.
Of course.
एंड पता है मैंने उसके एक इंटरव्यू में मैंने सुना था और प्रॉबली ऑन कॉफी विद करण समथिंग ही सेड दैट आई लाइक इट ऑन माई सेल्फ मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये पहनना तो आई डोंट केयर
True.
किसको क्या सोचना है आई एम फीलिंग गुड ना इन माई एलिमेंट दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स
That is alpha male for me.
दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स ना यू शुड फील गुड अबाउट whatever you however you're presenting yourself.
Correct. Beautiful. So with this, we end this podcast.
Done.
Thank you so
It
much.
was a lovely conversation. Quite an interesting one.
The pleasure
Yeah.
was all ours. We
Yeah.
definitely had a lot of insights on a man's perspective,
Yeah.
how the youth thinks and how the youth should be thinking.
Yeah.
What is breaking our youth? What is breaking our men? And what is
Yeah.
forcing them in the direction of things that we really do not want, which is high suicide rates.
Correct.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Pleasure being here.
On that note, if you resonate with this conversation, if you relate to this conversation, and if you think there's a lot of valuable insights that you've got, make sure you hit the subscribe button of Men Unplugged. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Let me know what else would you want to see on this podcast. I will make sure I bring the best conversations your way. And also on my podcast, I would like to break this news. Mr. Manan Bhatt is about to launch his male grooming tips and tricks throughout the social media. Stay tuned. I will be putting his link in the description. Make sure you go and like his page and also see his content. I'm sure you're going to benefit a lot. Until next time, take care, be unplugged, be vulnerable, be beautiful. Thank you.